a good skincare routine. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacy. You're welcome. Please subscribe before leaving. So today I'm going to be helping you build your skincare. I'm going to be giving you step by step on how to build a good skincare routine. For those of you that don't know, my name is Tessie, a esthetician living in Italy. I licensed esthetician living in Italy. So you're welcome to ask me anything or seek for advice or come for treatment with me or consultation with me. Okay. So let's dive into this skincare. I'm going to make this three stage, and the three of them are going to be uploaded in three different way. With this, I'm going to make all of them, but I'm going to cut this video into three. All right. So the first one of this video is how to build your skincare, a good skincare. When we talk about skincare, a lot of people think that skincare is cream, serum, bleaching cream, whitening cream, being having any cream that will whiten our body and everything without even thinking about the basic. There is basic skincare. There is a way to start up your skincare routine. If you want to have that good skin that when you see someone that have best skin ever, glass skin, glowing skin, skin that is healthy, when you see them and you admire them, there is step by step to take to have that skin type or such skin. And that's how to build a good skincare routine. First, we need to start by cleanser. Cleanser is one of the most essential thing into your skincare routine. Because if you're applying everything you are applying on your skin, layer of layer, and you don't wash your skin properly, you don't cleanse your skin, especially at night before going to bed or before applying all of those whitening this, whitening that. If you don't use a good moisture, a cleanser that is for your skin type, if you don't know how to find your skin type or you don't know your skin type at the moment, when you're going to buy cleanser, I advise you to buy cleanser that is made for all skin type. This way, you cannot go wrong with a cleanser that is made for all skin type. So if you don't know your skin type, go for cleanser that is made for all skin type until you figure out your skin type. So cleanser is very essential when it comes to skincare routine. Don't have cleanser into your skincare routine. You need to stop everything you're doing and go to buy cleanser, because cleanser should be the first skincare routine that you build. Okay, so don't take cleanser for nothing that is just a cleanser or you're using anyhow soap. No, go and buy cleanser that is pH balanced. All right. So number one is cleanser. Number two is toner. Obviously, some people say that toner is not very necessary right now because a lot of cleanser are not as harsh as it was. Yes, that is true, but toner is still very essential in our skincare routine. Toner helps to balance your skin pH. Toner, there is different toners out there. There is exfoliating toners. There is so many toners out there. Getting a toner, if you're inflamed acne, please avoid anything that is called exfoliating toner into your skin. If you're the person that is suffering whether hormonal acne, whether any kind of acne that is red, any reddish acne, any acne at all, please avoid anything that is called exfoliating into your skincare routine. So get a toner that helps to repair your skin, that helps to balance your skin pH. Okay, so second one is toner. The third one is serum. Serum is something that a lot of people underestimate. In fact, a lot of people actually pay more on cleanser than the serum, but that is wrong. The influencer that is making you pay more for a cleanser than serum is deceiving you, because serum is something that stays on your skin after washing your face. It's something that sticks to your skin. It's something that repairs your skin. While cleanser is something that you use to wash your face and you wash it off. What is it called? Serum, you don't wash serum off. It can be any serum that fight hyperpigmentation, serum that fight different things. Where you actually need to invest more on is on your serum. Your serum should be where inside your skincare. One of the most expensive skincare you should have is your serum. Invest on your serum, on a good serum that will actually fight. Depends on what you are treating on. Are you treating acne? Are you treating hyperpigmentation? Are you treating scars? Are you treating? Depends on what you're treating. Okay, that depends on the kind of serum you should go for. So, but serum should be one of the things you need to invest your money on. So after toner is your serum, obviously. Then after serum, you need a face cream, a face moisturizer. Normally during summer, I personally don't wear face cream during summer because I use my SPF as face cream because I don't like too much a product on my face during summer. So, but during winter, I have face cream. So after serum, both morning and night, you go in with your face cream. Any face cream of your choice depends on what you're targeting, depends on what your skin need, depends on the if you have a problem, depends on if you have any skincare issue. Target that skincare issue. Don't buy because people are advertising it on social media or people are talking about it on social media, but buy your skincare product because it's something you have a problem. Target the problem that you have. Don't buy a bunch of products on your wardrobe because this person reviewed, this person is using, this person reviewed. Target on the product that works for you, and when you find that product that works for you, stick to it. So after face cream, which is the fourth one, is your SPF during the daytime. So when you are going out, you must wear your SPF no matter where you are. SPF is very, very essential into our skincare routine. We are suffering from climate change. We are suffering from different things, pollution, a lot of things are going on this earth. And leaving your face without protection helps those things to help bacteria, help smog, help different things. You breaking out as well. So SPF is very, very, if you want to have that best skin, if you are fighting for hyperpigmentation, if you have any problem, your blackheads or clog spots, you need SPF into your skincare routine because this is what is going to help you. Okay, so SPF should be another thing you should invest your money in. Don't say no, I don't need SPF because I'm black. We are black people, especially. We need SPF more than anything, especially on our face, because you don't want to be carrying two face moving around. Okay, if you are especially if you are the type that don't wear makeup. So now another thing you need on your skincare routine. This is the whole of skincare routine package I'm building here. Now I'm after this, I'm going to the second video will be on how to layer all of that. The next thing you need is scrub, face scrub. Face scrub you need more is a must have on your skincare routine. So if you don't have face scrub, please go get one. On my next video, I'm going to tell you how to use that. Okay, if you don't know already. So if you don't have any facial scrub, both chemical facial scrub or mechanical facial scrub, go to get one because you need scrub on your skincare, exfoliator on your skincare routine. Another thing you need after scrub is a face mask. There is a face mask that you apply after scrubbing your face before you go with your night care, which is something that will come in the next one. So these are the things that are essential into your skincare routine. Stop buying a lot of active ingredients like you have retinol, you have niacinamide, you have vitamin C, you have peptide, you have different different active ingredient, active skincare all at once. Stop doing that. These are some the things I mentioned here are the things that are very essential when it comes to skincare routine. Trust me, if you follow this, if you get all of these things, your skin will thank you for that. So on my next one, I'm going to tell you how to layer, especially first, we're going to start from day care routine, then night care routine. Okay, and the things you need to be doing daily on your skin, like daily skincare, a weekly skincare routine. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and wait for the second part two of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the second and the part two. Bye.